Today's quick win in Canva is one that I actually forget about often, but then I remember that it's right there in the bottom left-hand corner if I just look. So I have these daily slides here, and maybe I don't want to go into present mode. Just as a reminder, if I do go into present mode, I get things like the remote control and the timer and all of that stuff, but I really love the timer and I want to use it in a design but not be in present mode. So if you look at the bottom left, you can actually show a timer right here, and then you're able to play that with students. So this could be up in the classroom with these slides that we have available to us. I may even have more things going on the screen, but that timer is still available even when you're not in present mode. And if you go to another slide, that timer still stays up. So you don't necessarily have to be in present mode to use wonderful tools like the timer.